Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the intriguing world of psychology and explore some truly captivating facts about teenagers. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or just someone who wants to better understand the adolescents around you, this video is for you. So, fasten your seatbelts as we explore these 10 mind-blowing psychological facts about teenagers. Fact number 1. The power-driven brain development. Did you know that a teenager's brain undergoes significant changes during adolescence? Particularly, the prefrontal cortex, which controls critical thinking and impulse, is the last to mature. This causes teenagers to be more driven by their emotions, instincts, and a need for independence, leading to impulsive behavior and increased risk-taking activities. Therefore, it's essential for adults to guide and support teenagers during this challenging phase of their lives. Moving on to fact number 2. The importance of social identification. During adolescence, teenagers are constantly in search of their identity. This search is dominated by a desire for social acceptance and belonging to specific peer groups. This desire to fit in and receive peer approval can sometimes cause them to disregard their own values and beliefs. 3. Heightened emotional sensitivity. At number 3, teenagers experience emotions more intensely than adults. Hormonal changes coupled with ongoing brain developments result in heightened emotional sensitivity, leading to mood swings, impulsivity, and even feelings of overwhelming emotions. This calls for patience and empathy from adults to help them navigate and regulate these emotions healthily. 4. Impact of sleep on mental health. Fact number 4. Sleep has a profound impact on a teenager's cognitive abilities, mood regulation, and overall mental health. Therefore, encouraging healthy sleeping habits, like maintaining a regular sleep schedule and avoiding excessive screen time before bedtime, is crucial. 5. The role of media influences. At number 5, we have the significant impact of media on a teenager's thoughts, behaviors, and values. In this era of social media, teenagers are constantly exposed to content that can shape their self-esteem, body image, and worldview. It's important for adults to be aware of these influences and promote critical thinking and open discussions around media content. 6. Peer pressure and decision-making. Next up, peer pressure plays a major role in a teenager's decision-making. A teenager's desire to fit in can sometimes lead to poor decision-making and engagement in risky behaviors. To combat this, it's important to promote open communication, teach assertiveness skills, and foster a strong sense of self. 7. The power of role models. Fact number 7. Positive role models can significantly influence a teenager's behaviors, values, and overall well-being. This underscores the importance of adults demonstrating responsible and ethical behavior worth emulating. 8. Cognitive skills and educational performance. At number 8, cognitive and learning skills play a crucial role in a teenager's academic performance. Therefore, teaching strategies like effective time management, goal setting, and problem solving can enhance a teenager's academic performance and cognitive development. 9. Lasting impact of traumatic experiences. Fact number 9. Traumatic experiences during the teenage years can have long-lasting effects on an individual's mental health and overall well-being. It's crucial for adults to address any traumatic experiences in a supportive and understanding manner to minimize the long-term impact. 10. The value of communication and emotional support. Finally, at number 10, open and consistent communication is vital in providing a supportive environment for teenagers. It allows them to express themselves and share their concerns, challenges, and thoughts without fear of judgment. This leads to healthier decision-making and overall development. And there you have it, the top 10 psychological facts about teenagers. Remember, understanding these factors can significantly help in providing the support and guidance needed during this critical phase of life. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more informative videos.